How to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2020. In today's video, I'll talk to you about playlists. How can you use them to get more views and subscriptions in your YouTube channel? So join me for more goodies. Tuesday. I'm Ralf Straaberg and this is Tube Tuesday. If you like what you see here, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. How to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2020. In today's video we are talking about the playlist, the power of the playlist in your channel. Too many people do not really realize that when you're having your YouTube channel, the good way is to also organize your videos into playlists. And in these playlists you actually have an extreme power to also optimize your channel with keywords in your playlists. All the keywords you have in your descriptions, keywords you have in your tags, you can also use in your playlist. That way Google will also know what this playlist is about, and then Google actually also has the opportunity to serve your playlist in search results, so that your video will not only show up as a single video, you can also have an entire playlist show up in the search results. That way when people click on this, they are more likely to see more than just one video from you. They will maybe see 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 videos from you, and that way you get more view time, you get people to stay on your channel, you get them to know and trust and like you more, and that way you get more subscribers. I'll take you into my computer now and you can see how you can make a playlist, how it's done, and how you can optimize with keywords in your niche. What you want to do is you want to log into your YouTube account. When you are in your YouTube account, you will go up and then you will go into the YouTube studio. In the YouTube studio, you go here and you go to playlists. You can see I have already made playlists. If you do not have any playlist already, you just go up here, click new playlist, and then you will name your playlist and start to add videos from your video archive. I can show you here like how I did in my YouTube section here. Here you can see I chose to name it the same way I have named these videos in this series, like how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. This is also a targeted keyword. I target like this: how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2020. This is the key phrase I am targeting for the search results. By adding this here, also I am also giving YouTube something to work with. But what's even more important is a lot of times when people make a playlist, they'll just give it a name like playlist number 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. This does not really do anything for you when it comes to optimizing your playlist and optimizing your YouTube channel. You want to name it something that is target keywords, something that you want to be found on. YouTube can show your playlists also in search results. So if you are optimizing your playlist, then you can actually also get your playlists to show in results, so that it's not just like a single video or something like this you will get. Here down below you want to add a description. And the reason why I want this, YouTube is reading this also. So here you want to write about what it is you're talking about in the videos here in this playlist. And you can also use some of the words that you have in your tags. If you have made like 5 videos, 6 videos, or how many videos you have made, there's certain things that are similar to the video. Some tags you have in the description or in your tags, you want to put these things into your videos here also, so that your videos can get shown and your playlist will get shown in the search results. So this is a good thing for you to go and optimize on your channel. You can do this every day, and you can see already, since I've made playlists, people have actually gone and viewed the playlist, maybe more videos from the playlist, and that way I get more views on my videos, and you're slowly also building a following, because if people watch more and more of your content, eventually they will also subscribe to your channel because they like what you have and what you do. And this is a good way to keep people inside your universe. Keep serving the good things that they are looking for. Keep making the good videos in each niche about the subjects, and categorize them so that you have them together like this. Like I showed you also here, I started doing this also here. I did for the social media for strategies for entrepreneurs. I made similar things, and I need to update more on the description in here because there's room for improvement in this one. You can go ahead and look here. See, I put here, but you have actually the same amount here to write about, like you also had in when you have your description in your videos, you can write just as much here. So this is a good thing to also go in and do something about, to optimize this. If you have have videos here that are together and makes good sense, then you can also get these videos to show in your results, both for search and when people are inside visiting in your channel. So maybe when you have gone and visited a YouTube channel, sometimes you will go in and you will look for the videos, but sometimes I also go and look for the playlist and see, do they have a playlist that's relevant for the information I'm searching now. Maybe I was searching something about affiliate marketing. I wanted to know more about what is affiliate marketing, or how can I make money online. If something like this was something I was looking for on this channel and they have made a playlist, I'll be more likely to go in to this playlist, either look all videos and just play and they will play along, or I would go in and pick out the videos in this playlist that I think is really relevant for me or has the information I want to know about. And it's like this, when you are inside a universe, and if you are in a channel and you see things that make sense and you like the content, then you are likely to go and look more. So do this for your channel, to go and optimize on the things you can do so you can get more views on your videos also. It was some powerful stuff there. Are you going to put keywords and going to put better descriptions into your playlist now? Let me know in the description. I would like to hear about how you want to do and what you are planning in your videos. If you like stuff about YouTube, if you like about how you can grow on social media, if you have a small business, if you have an account, if you want to grow on social media, if you want to know more about YouTube and how to make money online also, I have a Facebook group, and you can click the link below and then you can join me in my Facebook group for more goodies like this and more things on how you can get better each and every day. If you like what you see here on my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat when I put out new content. This is Ralf Straaberg, and you have been watching Tube Tuesday.